Welcome, guys. In the modern world of cloud computing, the efficient distribution of traffic across servers is crucial for maintaining application performance and reliability. GCP offers a comprehensive load balancing solution that ensures your applications run smoothly, scale effortlessly, and deliver optimal performance to end users. Let's deep dive into load balancing capabilities. GCP Load Balancer is a fully managed service that offers several key features designed to handle varying traffic loads and application requirements. Global load balancing. GCP provides global load balancing, allowing you to route traffic across multiple regions for low latency and high availability. Automatic scaling automatically scales your applications up or down based on traffic demands, ensuring optimal performance and cost efficiency. Health checks continuously monitors the health of your application instances and routes traffic only to healthy instances. Anycast IP offers a single Anycast IP address for your load balancer, making it easy to manage and providing low latency connections. SSL offloading manages SSL TLS termination, reducing the burden on your backend servers and improving performance. Traffic management provides sophisticated traffic management capabilities, including support for WebSockets, HTTP2, and session affinity. Do you know that questions about GCP load balancers are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests, so you can boost your cloud skills. Check the links in the description. GCP offers a variety of load balancers tailored to different traffic types and use cases, broadly categorized into application load balancers and network load balancers. These categories are further divided into external and internal load balancers, with additional distinctions based on the scope of traffic distribution like global, regional, or cross-region. Application load balancers are proxy-based Layer 7 load balancers that enable you to run and scale your services behind an Anycast IP address. The application load balancer distributes HTTP and HTTPS traffic to backends hosted on a variety of Google Cloud platforms, such as Compute Engine and GKE, as well as external backends outside Google Cloud. Application load balancers can be deployed externally or internally, depending on whether your application is internet-facing or internal. Network load balancers are Layer 4 load balancers that can handle TCP, UDP, or other IP protocol traffic. These load balancers are available as either proxy load balancers or pass-through load balancers. You can pick a load balancer depending on the needs of your application and the type of traffic that it needs to handle. Choose a proxy network load balancer if you want to configure a reverse proxy load balancer with support for advanced traffic controls and backends on-premises and in other cloud environments. Choose a pass-through network load balancer if you want to preserve the source IP address of the client packets, you prefer direct server return for responses, or you want to handle a variety of IP protocols such as TCP, UDP, ESP, GRE, ICMP, and ICMPv6. Selecting the appropriate GCP load balancer depends on your application requirements. Traffic type. Determine whether your traffic is HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, or UDP, and choose a load balancer accordingly. Global versus regional. Decide if you need global load balancing for high availability across regions or regional load balancing within a single region. Security needs. Consider SSL offloading and termination requirements for securing your traffic. Performance and latency. Evaluate the latency and performance needs of your application to choose a load balancer that meets these criteria. Scalability. Ensure the load balancer can handle your current and future traffic demands. Cost considerations. Assess the pricing structure of each load balancer type to align with your budget. GCP load balancer pricing is based on several factors. Usage. Charges are based on the volume of data processed and the number of load balancer instances. Traffic type. Costs may vary depending on whether the traffic is HTTPS, TCP, or UDP. Regional versus global. Global load balancing typically incurs higher costs due to the complexity and resources involved. Additional features. Services like SSL offloading and advanced traffic management may have additional charges. It is essential to review the latest pricing information on the GCP pricing page to get accurate and up-to-date details. GCP Load Balancer is a robust, fully managed service that ensures your applications run smoothly by efficiently distributing traffic across servers. With features like global load balancing, automatic scaling, and SSL offloading, it offers a comprehensive solution for various traffic management needs. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.